Today I'm joined here with Luke Winchester. Luke, you're a new addition to our Barclay Pearce Capital team. Would you like to tell our audience a little bit about yourself and your role?
Yeah, I've been in the financial industry for about 15 years on the equity side of things, mostly on the investment side, starting off as an equity analyst, and the last 5 years have been portfolio manager for a dedicated ASX small micro cap fund.
Okay, great. And what is your main focus when you are managing client portfolios?
Yeah, look, I think it's a very underappreciated role, the role of a portfolio manager. Obviously, everyone focuses on stock picking and the best ideas and the best performers, but the role of a portfolio manager is to put those together and really balance that risk reward. So thinking about correlations between ideas, sector exposures, geographical exposures, whatever it may be, weightings to certain ideas based on conviction, and really making sure that from a holistic point of view for a portfolio, everything's balanced and you're trying to achieve the objectives for the clients.
How do you navigate periods of market uncertainty and volatility?
Yeah, look, I think it's important for people to understand what they own and why they own it. So that's speaking with your advisors, taking that bit of time and effort to understand why we own things and the thesis for it. I think if people don't understand what's in their portfolios, why they own it, and how their investment portfolio is structured to achieve the goals they want, that's when they get panicked by those headlines, Trump, Iran, whatever it may be, and the emotional side of people starts to override the plans that have been put in place. So, yeah, my main piece of advice to people is try and take some time to understand what the plan is, what we own and why we own it.
Okay, wonderful. And what should those investors be looking out for and paying attention to for the next 6 to 12 months?
Yeah, look, touched on it before. I think that Trump-Iran stuff, it is still very much in the headlines. Markets feel a little bit complacent right now, assuming that things will smoothly work themselves out. But as with most things with Trump and geopolitics, it's never quite that simple. So as much as I would love to be past all of this, I think it is going to be that main theme over the next 6-12 months as we come into US midterms and we deal with the fallout, particularly of those oil markets and the shortages there. So I think it does dominate our macroeconomic thinking for at least the next 6 months.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Luke.
Thank you.